A product requirements document serves as a foundational blueprint for any product development project. It communicates the vision, functionality, and expectations of a product to all stakeholders, including designers, developers, and business teams. When the focus is on UI and UX and design requirements, the product requirements document ensures that the product's user interface and overall user experience align with both business goals and user needs. The UI and UX section of a product requirements document starts by defining the target users and personas. This includes demographic data, behaviors, preferences, and challenges that users might face. Understanding these details helps the design team create interfaces that are intuitive, accessible, and engaging, addressing the real needs of the end users. Next, the product requirements document outlines user flows and task flows. User flows map the steps a user takes to complete a specific task within the application, while task flows focus on individual interactions. By documenting these flows, designers can anticipate user behavior, reduce friction, and ensure a seamless navigation experience across the product. Wireframes and mockups often accompany UI and UX requirements in the product requirements document. Wireframes provide a visual skeleton of the interface, showing layout, hierarchy, and placement of elements. Mockups, on the other hand, offer a high-fidelity preview of the design, including colors, typography, and branding elements. Including these in the product requirements document ensures that the design vision is clearly communicated to developers and stakeholders. The product requirements document also defines interaction patterns and design principles. This covers aspects like button behaviors, hover states, drag and drop functionality, and consistency in UI components. Consistent interaction patterns reduce cognitive load for users and create a more cohesive experience across the product. Accessibility considerations are another crucial component. The product requirements document should specify compliance with standards such as WCAG or Web Content Accessibility Guidelines to ensure that users with disabilities can interact with the product effectively. This includes contrast ratios, screen reader support, keyboard navigation, and other accessibility features. Typography, color schemes, and visual branding guidelines are defined to maintain design consistency. These requirements ensure that the product aligns with the company's brand identity, creates emotional resonance with users, and maintains visual hierarchy to guide user attention effectively. The product requirements document also specifies responsive design requirements. With users accessing products on a variety of devices and screen sizes, it's important to define how the UI adapts to different resolutions, orientations, and platforms. This includes specifying breakpoints, grid systems, and adaptive layouts. Micro-interactions and animations are increasingly important in modern UI and UX. The product requirements document should describe how animations, transitions, and feedback mechanisms enhance the user experience without distracting or confusing the user. These details really help developers implement subtle design nuances that elevate usability. User testing and validation plans are critical to refining the UI and UX. The product requirements document may include requirements for usability testing, A/B testing, and user feedback collection. These insights help iterate on designs to ensure the product is intuitive, efficient, and enjoyable to use. Finally, the product requirements document should define success metrics related to UI and UX. Metrics like task completion rates, user satisfaction scores, error rates, and engagement levels provide measurable outcomes for design effectiveness. These metrics help track whether the design goals are met and guide future improvements. In essence, a product requirements document with a focus on UI and UX and design requirements bridges the gap between user expectations, business objectives, and technical implementation. By documenting detailed design guidelines, interaction flows, accessibility, branding, responsiveness, and success metrics, it ensures that the final product delivers a cohesive, user-centered experience.